Today, we're making blueberry muffins. Let's get this started. So, in a stand mixer bowl, we're going to add our wet ingredients. So we're going to start it off with 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. I'm going to add in the bowl 1/4 cup of whole milk. Next, we're going to add in 1 1/4 cup granulated sugar. We're going to add 2 whole eggs. These are large eggs. So in the bowl. So our sour cream, we need 8 ounces. We're going to tear out our bowl to 0. Now we're going to add in 8 ounces of sour cream. And without a scale, I wouldn't be sure what that was. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay. Now we're going to add in our sour cream. Now we're going to add lemon zest. Okay. Add in zest of lemon. We're going to put our mixing bowl on the stand mixer. Pop that on. And we're going to blend that in to incorporate it. Okay. Now that we've mixed in our wet ingredients, we're going to prepare our dry ingredients. And we're going right in the bowl. So we're going with 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. That's 1 cup. Okay. We're going to put in our salt. Our salt is 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're using baking soda, which is 1/2 teaspoon. And we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Let's give that a little mix. And the same thing, we're only going to mix. The same thing, we're only going to mix to incorporate. The rest we're going to fold in by hand. Oh yeah, they look good. And now we're just going to fold this in by hand just to make sure we reach all the way down in the bottom. Stir that in real good just to make sure everything gets incorporated real nice. Yeah, I still see a little liquid in the bottom. So just make sure that's well incorporated You don't want to see no liquid. You don't want to see no flour. Just make sure it's nicely incorporated. So that looks pretty good. That looks good. We're going to add a little bit of flour. We're going to put in our blueberries. And all we want to do here, you just want to coat our blueberries lightly. There you go. That's what you're looking for. Put that in. Don't worry about the extra flour. We're going to fold all that in together. It's going to come out good. No problem. Just fold those blueberries in your batter. Get all of that. Get all of this. Again, just fold that in. Fold the mixture in. That's really good. Okay, that's good. Now we're going to grab our muffin tin and we're going to fill them. So we're going to line our pan. And these are large, like extra large. We preheated our oven to 350 degrees, so the timer just went off. Now we're going to just scoop these in using an ice cream scooper, and we're going to get them in the oven. We're going to have some of that. Okay, so we're going to put these in the oven. And like I said, we preheated our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to let these bake for 23 to 26 minutes. Go.